Valentine's Day is one of the most popular holidays of the year, but when I go onto Etsy and I start looking at Valentine's Day SVG files, it's completely overwhelming. We've got huge bundles, we've got all sorts of keywords, and we have no idea if any of these are in demand or how well they're selling. It can be a really frustrating venture, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'm going to walk through 3 niches that are related to Valentine's Day that actually have the potential to make sales. This will be a good one. Let's jump in. For this video, I'm going to be using a really cool niche research tool, and it's called Everbee. I'm going to put a link to Everbee in the video description below. Just a heads up, it is an affiliate link. That just means if you click on the link and you purchase the Everbee subscription, I would receive a small commission. When I go to the top here into Everbee and I type in Valentine's Day under keyword research, I get back a search volume of 13,693 per month. The competition, though, is a staggering over 4 million results. And of course, that gives us a very, very wimpy keyword score of 0. But that's okay. There's other related keywords down below. And I can actually sort this by clicking on descending. That's going to give me a whole bunch of different keywords. I can actually export this as well over on the right-hand side, and it's going to give me a spreadsheet, and then I can sort and manipulate the data inside of that spreadsheet. So let's jump in and take a look at the first niche. Niche number 1 is custom Valentine's Day gifts. And I'd like to point out a little bit of a quirk here when you're doing keyword research. You'll notice here I've got custom Valentine's Day gift, and it gives us a competition of 290,000 and a keyword score of 30. Pretty robust search volume. But when I type in custom Valentine's Days, plural, gift, we can see here the search volume is very robust, the competition is very low, and the keyword score is massive. So just a simple tweak of a piece of text can sometimes mean the difference between a search volume radically changing, being up or down. So let's jump into Etsy and take a look at custom Valentine's Days gift. Okay, so there is a product that I've identified that's actually really popular on Etsy. And if you're good with Photoshop or Affinity Photo or Affinity Designer, you could really do some damage here in this niche. I think it's really cool. And it's this custom portraits. So you can see the first one is like a faceless portrait, and the second one here is just a line drawing. So let's jump into the faceless portrait first. We can see here this is ready in 6 hours. It's $7.58 Canadian, and it's a digital download. So that's a pretty good price for a digital download. Like a client would be happy with that, but it's also almost all profit. So if it's ready in 6 hours, I'm sure they're not taking 6 hours to make something like this. It's in 20 plus baskets. It's very popular. Basically, you're taking a picture and then you're creating some sort of a filtered picture out of it that you would then reveal as a digital download, and you would just send it right to the client. Here's another one. This is a custom line drawing. Looks really nice. It's got a little watercolor background, which would just be a template. It's customized. We've got the people's names at the bottom and the year that they've either met, or maybe they got married, or maybe they can tolerate each other. Whatever the reason is here that they're together in this photo. We can see this one's $12.63, and it's in 20 plus baskets. Now they've got a sale on, so it's actually regular priced about $25. So that's not a bad option if you're good with Photoshop and you can make artwork like this. Man, you can really clean up, because we can see down at the bottom there's over 12,000 reviews, and for this individual item there's over 3,000 reviews. So that's, these guys are keeping busy doing this. That's a really cool way to deliver something meaningful to a couple. Valentine's Day gift niche number 2 is Valentine's Day gift for him. And I want to show you again a neat little tweak here. We've got Valentine's Day gift for him that's spelled correctly, but if I were to put in another spelling, Valentine Days gift for him, we can see the keyword score is almost the exact same, but the competition's way less. So you'd want to be looking at multiple results here to form an opinion about whether or not this is an in-demand niche. This is definitely an in-demand niche. Women love Etsy. Let's see what's on Etsy in regards to Valentine's Day gift for him. Okay, so what I'll typically do on Etsy is I will type in the phrase, so in this case, Valentine's Day gift for him, but then I'll also search for SVG as well if I'm looking for digital downloads. So I've got a few options here. The first one is, I'm nuts about you. Now, it's a little bit naughty, it's a little bit rude. That's the whole point of selling something on Etsy. So if your eyes are bleeding right now because it's so rude and profane, I do apologize, but you'll notice this is in 20 plus baskets, $2.53. It's a digital download. So this has got 88 reviews, and reviews for this item 86. So that's not bad considering that you've made one design. It's not customized. It's just you sell it as is, and this person's making pretty good sales. Here's another one. Now this is a card, okay, and it says you're the only wiener for my bun. Again, it's supposed to be rude. It's supposed to be naughty. That's the whole point of Etsy. You don't go onto Etsy to buy something that you could otherwise buy at Walmart or Target. This has got 20 plus views in the last 24 hours. Now this is a card. So I want to point out, I know that if you're thinking about selling digital designs, you might discount this. However, you could sell this as a digital design, just a funny SVG file, and then people could put it on a t-shirt. They could put it on a card, any sort of apparel. So if you find something that's kind of print on demand or physical, you may want to translate it over to an SVG file. And here's another one. This is very simple. It's a hand holding another hand, his name, her name. It's in 20 plus baskets. It's an SVG. Now this is customizable. So if you're starting out on Etsy and you're trying to dig in and stake your claim, a really easy way to do it is to offer customized stuff. Now this would take time and effort. You're not just going to be able to sell them as passive income, but it is a good way to make some sales on Etsy. Niche number 3 is Valentine's Day Mega Bundle. So I want to point out here, the search volume is quite low. It's 142 per month. The competition is only about 1,000. So this is one of those ones where even though Valentine's Day is very popular, you can find little sub niches that don't have a ton of competition, even though the search volume is low. That gives us a nice keyword score of 120. It's all relative. So let's take a look here on Etsy at Valentine's Day Mega Bundle. I always laugh when people are trying to get one up on each other. If you do Valentine's Day SVG, that's one thing, but Mega Bundle just screams value. There's a lot of big bundles here at the top of the search results. So it is a competitive market, but let's take a look at some that you may not have thought of. Here's one for kids. So this is designed for children. It's there's only one left and it's in 4 baskets. Now it's interesting here. This seller has listed it as saying, don't purchase on the shop. All payments are canceled. And they're trying to drive to their website, which is fine. I don't have an opinion on that. I'm just pointing out the idea that people are searching for this because you're trying to compete with other listings on Etsy. So I do think that this is a good value. $6.32 gets you some bundles here that are specifically designed for kids. Here's another one. And if this looks like it's created by artificial intelligence, I think you might be right. Here's some Tumblr designs that feature animals holding hearts, 20 plus views in the last 24 hours. Again, these are digital designs. They're actually PDF files. And for $11.23, people are buying them and they are somewhat passive income because they're not customizable. Here's a third one that I really like. This is Valentine's Day mock-ups specifically for a type of garment, the Gildan 18,000. It's like a shirt. And here's a bunch of nice looking ladies with some hearts in the background in 15 baskets, $5 for a bunch of mock-ups. So if you have photography skills and you've got a friend or two that wants to be a model, this is a great way that you can make some money. Here we've just got blank shirts and sweaters with no mock-up on it. And so the idea is people would purchase this and then they would stick their designs on here as thumbnails when they're selling a design. So mock-ups is a really cool way that you can make some money that may not be super intuitive. Again, it's a digital download PDF file and it's quite popular. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. I really like using Everbee. I don't always just go off of what the keyword score is. I use my cognitive abilities and my decision-making abilities, and I find cool niches where you find these sort of designs that have lots in the basket or lots of views. And when you can find a few of those, it gives you some inspiration that you can compete even in a highly competitive market like the Valentine's Day market. Here's another video on how you can explore some niches on Etsy and have some fun doing it.